Turkmenistan Herat 220 kilovolt power transmission line to be restored and return to normal operation soon. Last week, severe storms, heavy snowfall, and extremely low temperatures reaching minus 45 degrees Celsius in Bandi Bogorchar area of Rabat Sangi district, Herat province, caused 6 towers of the Turkmenistan Herat 220 kilowatt power transmission line to collapse and damage the transmission conductors. The Afghanistan Brishna Shirkat High Voltage Director Engineer Abdullah Barakzai reassures that the disrupted power supply will be temporarily restored as soon as possible and subsequently return to normal operation. We hope that it will be connected tomorrow morning or the next morning and temporarily provide electricity to Herat province. Meanwhile, officials of Herat Brishna Directorate state that approximately 90% of the technical challenges have already been resolved and a large number of technical personnel along with required machinery and equipment are continuously working on site to restore electricity transmission to Herat at earliest possible time. During these past 6 days that we have been in Bandi Bogorchar area to fix the issue, we have resolved around 90% of the problem. Inshallah, we will reconnect Herat electricity at the earliest opportunity before Eid. Our colleagues comes to the site early in the morning just after dawn and prayer and worked until late at night. We are trying to restore the electricity of Herat city as soon as possible. According to available information, 2 transmission towers initially collapsed and were later followed by 4 additional towers as a result of severe storms, heavy snowfall, and temperatures dropping to minus 45 degrees Celsius in Bandi Bogorchar area of Rabat Sangi district, Herat province. The incident consequently damaged sections of power transmission line, leading to the disruption of electricity supply. Officials add that extreme cold, strong winds, and challenging ground conditions continue to pose serious difficulties for the repair operations, which have to some extent affected the face of technical teams working on the site.